Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us take new example of the sustainability risk. That is, the title is greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gas emissions. The risk definition basically we can say release of gases contributing to global warming, global warming and other impacts. Okay. Then what can be the risk contributing factors? We can say industrial processes, also energy production, transportation. So these can be the contributing factors. But let us see what can be the risk controls, like contribution to climate change and as well to global warming. Okay. Also it can lead to air pollution, health impacts, then we can say regulatory fines and penalties as well. Penalties. Also it can lead to reputational risk. Maybe we can say stakeholders scrutiny. Yep. And then operational and financial costs also. Operational and financial costs to mitigate the emissions. To mitigate emissions. So what can be the risk control measures? Let's see. The first one is we can take example of adoption of cleaner technologies, and also we can say energy efficient practices. Then definitely we need to set certain emission reduction targets, and as well as we need to develop certain strategies. Okay. We can talk about carbon offsetting and trading as well. Trading mechanisms. Yep. Then of course regular monitoring and reporting as well for emissions. Okay. Also we need to engagement with all the stakeholders on the climate action goals. Yep. So in this risk title of greenhouse gas emission, what we have learned that greenhouse gas emission is a risk title. What is the risk definition? A release of gases contributing to global warming and other impacts. Then risk factors like we have industrial processes, energy production, transportation will be the contributing factor. Then what are the risk impacts? The examples are like contributing to climate change and global warming, air pollution and health impacts, regulatory fines and penalties, also reputational risk and stakeholders scrutiny, then also operational and financial costs for mitigating the emissions. Then we talk about certain risk control measures. Like first one is adoption of cleaner technologies and energy efficient practices, setting emission reduction targets and strategies, carbon offsetting and trading, we can say regular monitoring and reporting of the emissions, and also engagement of the stakeholders with for the climate action goals actually. Thank you very much friends. Let us take example of the new risk now.